yung katotohanan sa panalangin, it is God who acts more than us. Ang Diyos ang kumikilos sa panalangin. Ang Diyos ang gumagalaw. Ang Diyos ang patuloy na kumakatok. Kahit nga sa ating panalangin, mapapansin nyo, we can easily get distracted. And God calls us back, leads us back, our attention to Him. Ididiretso niya ang ating atensyon, ifo-focus niya ang ating atensyon. In prayer, let's think more that God is doing more than what we are doing. That there are times, kulang na lang sabihin ni Lord, shut up. Listen. Be quiet. Watch me do wonders in your life. Pay attention to the works of God in our lives. Hindi malayo sa sinabi natin sa responsorial psalm. In prayer, remember the marvels the Lord has done for you. Sa panalangin, isipin mo ang patuloy, matyaga, persistent na ginagawa ng Diyos sa iyong buhay, sa ating buhay. He is the one persevering. He is the one persisting. He is the one constantly knocking. He is the one always ready to listen. He is the one willing to take our hand. He is the one willing to walk with us. In prayer, let's give God the priority.